Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by preparing your assets and app permissions. Open Gemini, grant photos and camera access, and pick the images you'll edit. RAW files keep more detail, so use them when possible. Once done, import into a new project and decide on iCloud versus local storage. iCloud keeps edits synced, local is faster. Make sure you have at least 500 MB free to avoid crashes. By beginning here, you avoid data loss and get maximum control over color and exposure later. You now move into the core workflow, starting with Auto Enhance to create a neutral baseline. Use Split View to compare so you understand the effect. Next, manually refine exposure, contrast, highlights, and shadows. Small moves are often better than extremes because they preserve texture. Use the selective brush to target eyes, sky, or skin without global changes. Then fine-tune color grading and white balance and add noise reduction if needed. Make sure edits remain non-destructive so you can iterate. You finish by exporting correctly. Choose JPEG for web, PNG for transparency, or TIFF/HEIF for highest quality, and set the target size and compression. Small changes affect load time and fidelity. Once exported, use presets for batches to save time, and embed metadata plus the sRGB or display P3 profile depending on destination. If something goes wrong, clear Gemini's cache, update the app, or re-import the project. Also verify storage space and permissions. This quickly resolves most crashes and color mismatches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.